Welcome! Today we'll show you how to back up your data on Instagram using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening Instagram.com on your web browser. Click on the menu icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen, then select Your Activity from the menu options. Within your activity, locate and click on Download End-to-End Encrypted Data at the bottom of the page, and then click Next to proceed. If your device is not authenticated, you may be prompted to enter your PIN for verification purposes. Enter your Instagram account password and click on Request Download to initiate the backup process. Once your file is prepared, the download will begin in the browser, allowing you to save a copy of your Instagram data securely. By following these steps, you can easily back up your data on Instagram using your PC. This feature enables you to safeguard your account information and content for future reference or in case of any data loss. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you protect your Instagram data effectively.